Try it
I wonder
again.
if you dive. Oh, these guys are our guys. Dive right here and see if you got one. Oh yeah, take the bear
he fell.
head out. Ready? All right, dive in here with your hands down. See if you. There we go.
Woo!
Mom might ask me to. Mom, do you have to really work at work?
You're like, no. I mean, yes.
Did you find any with your diving?
Why don't you dive in this corner?
Yeah.
All right, here he comes.
I think I feel something.
Put your hands down. Put your hands back in there. If you felt something, you'll feel it again with your hands. Yeah, try diving over here. I bet there's one. Love it. Did you find anything?
No.
Feel the very bottom, because I know there's some right on the very bottom in this corner.
Can't find some.
Nothing?
Oh, you know what? You haven't dove in this corner yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in there.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Did you find one?
Yeah.
Oh, don't be blind. Put those hands down there. Go drill, drill, drill. Yeah, take. Put those hands way down there. Yeah. And feel all around. You're so visual. Oh, hi, Panda Bear. Oh, he wants to give you a face love. He's very cute. All right.